Don't kill me.
One, satu, dua, tiga. Okay.
Alright guys, welcome to my channel. Ajay Nasusil. Today is tonight very awesome. I feel like in a donor. We have been memorizing for our God Allah Ta'ala. A lot of men and women came in this month. His name is Subri Salamat from Sabang Island. So I got a few questions for my Islam. Muslim is teacher for us. Always Muslim scholar. Nowadays my favorite Ajay. Now I'm got a few simple question for him maybe. Alright, Mister.
Yeah.
He's got a question here because nowadays people they love for memorizing or zikr to Allah. So what do you think about nowadays? They are love for Allah.
الذكر لله الذكر لله تحتاج لنفس كل واحد لازم يذكر الله على ذكر الله هذا الآية الكريمة التي قال الله تعالى فيها هذه الآية لذلك نحث على كل مسلم أن يذكر الله كثيرا يوم بكرة وأصيلا ليلا نهارا ذكر الله جدا طبعا من الصغير من البلوغ إلى الكبار حتى الممات.
Alright, the meaning is he said, after memorizing for, reciting for your God, every single day, every single night, every single morning, you're gonna be happy, you'll be hurt, very happy always get after you 5 times 24 hours you went to masjid, down and then the Zuhur and then also and then Maghrib and Isha, you can pray together with a lot of Muslims nowadays. But when you are remembering for your God give you a prize. Our praise to Allah, Alhamdulillah. Our praise to Allah. Imagine that. You can imagine that. Allah love us. Allah love us so much because Allah give us long life and that Allah give us everything what we want. Alright, thank you for watching my video. For your support that we gonna show everything about how do we improve or promote our Muslim knowledge for from United States, from Europe. I can show everything about that Muslim knowledge. Alright, thank you for watching my video.
Allah
Allahu Akbar.
Lihat terjemahannya.